Well, I was actually not supposed to host this show. I was walking outside the ULC and they just pulled me in. They said, here's the mic, go talk. I'm like, okay, I'll sing. But there was supposed to be this other guy who was supposed to host and with me. And I don't know where he is. He was supposed to come all the way from Dallas. And I can't find him anywhere. Where's this fellow? I think he's going to come there. Give it up for, look at him there.
बचना है हसीनों जो मैं आ गया ये बचना है हसीनों जो मैं आ गया
Alright, I'll call you tonight, girls. Thank you. Excuse me? Excuse me? There's only so much. I'll call you tonight, girls. Thank you again. This is not fair. I start the entire show. I've been hosting for the last 3 years. Please clap for me. This is not fair. I start the show and he gets the girls.
Which bag?
I don't know.
This chair.
Did you come with them all the way?
Jacket?
Yeah, it's a 3-seater.
1 second.
So one on the left.
Yeah, I had only a 2-seater one.
It was a bumpy ride. It was really bumpy.
Alright, so guys, basically this is the kind of humor you're going to be subjected to from him at least.
But I think I can get a round of applause for the dance, right? Right?
That's like 3 people clapping. At least after this, most people should clap.
I know, but that was a really good song, Shravan.
And that was a good entrance and dance actually.
Thank you. So where did you learn all of this?
Where did I learn the song and dance?
Yeah.
Well, as it goes, with we Indians and Indian culture, we can sing and dance for anything. Absolutely anything. It's a birth of a child, what do?
Dance.
The child goes to school the first time, what do?
Dance.
Other than producing software engineers, this is what we do.
Dance.
So what do we have coming up here?
So usually we start off all our shows or any auspicious occasion with a prayer song and stuff like that, and that's what we've been doing for the last couple of years. So we've been having a prayer song, but this time Shravan, it's different.
This time, actually, instead of a prayer song, basically the whole idea of a prayer song comes up from the fact that we start it's a part of a tradition where we start off a lot of things with offerings to the God.
3 minutes.
So every year we've been doing prayer song. What we're going to do this time is a little bit different. We're going to be doing a prayer dance.
Yeah, and can you tell the people what kind of dance this is going to be?
Yeah, this dance is actually called Bharatnatyam. And it's actually one of the 8 forms of classical dance coming out of India. And this dance is particularly called Pushpanjali, that's the name in India. It basically means offering of flowers to the god, and it's an introductory dance to the audience as well. That's how it's framed.
Definitely. So without much further ado, let's get our performer on stage, Akansha.
We'll go to come and dance again. So.
Yeah, definitely. So put your hands together for Akansha. Thank you, guys. Akansha. So Akansha is 12 years old and she's the youngest performer that ISA has had so far. And to open a show like this takes a lot of guts. So once again, put your hands up for Akansha, please. Amazing. Amazing. So Akansha has been learning from Shivanjali Center for Fine Arts, and it's a center in the Boulder, Denver area, and a lot of students go to her, and that's where she's learned all this dance. So we just want to mention that out to everybody. So what do we have next, Raman?
Oh, the next performance that's coming up. Let's see. How many of you here are from the southern part of India or from Andhra Pradesh, to be specific? I want to hear a noise. So if you think there are 1 billion people in India, half of them are from there. No, they are. If you guys think that you guys outsource laptop service centers to India, these guys outsource students to the US.
That's true.
Yep. So yeah, the next performance is actually from the land of Andhra Pradesh. It's going to be performed by a group, and it's full of mass numbers. Now what I mean by mass numbers is it's